Hello! If you want to know what the weather's doing in Phuket during the rainy season, then you want to watch this video, because sometimes it might rain. Sometimes it might be sunny. And sometimes it might even snow. Anyway, you want to learn about the Phuket rainy season weather? Then watch this video. Thanks! Hello, Jailer Shark here for 5-Star Marine, and I'm at the map, but I'm still by myself. Why am I by myself? Sean's left me. No, he's still away. Anyway, he'll be back soon, but it's not about Sean. It's about the Phuket weather. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we had some flash flooding because there was a heavy downpour. And we're still getting messages now, 2 weeks later, saying, oh, how's the flooding in Phuket? Is Phuket still flooded? La, 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 la. So, I'm going to do this whole video about rainy season weather so you understand what the weather is like here in Phuket during the rainy season. Low season, green season, whatever you want to call it. Okay? Got it? Good. Right, let's start. So, the rainy season in Phuket typically runs from May to October. Now, during this time, there are heavy rains, so it is quite common, right? And these can occasionally lead to flash floods. I use the word occasionally. Now, when it rains, it's not just like little drops of sunshine falling from the sky. Oh, no. It pours. So it's lots of drops of sunshine falling from the sky. But don't worry, okay? Because these floods that do happen, these flash floods that occasionally do happen, they disperse very quickly. Like the one a couple of weeks ago, which I did a video on. It rained in the morning, a lot of rain came down, and then by about lunchtime, most of the floods have gone. Yes, there was still disruption. The traffic was still building up. There was loads of debris on the road, but the flash floods generally go for about 1 or 2 hours. So, the Phuket weather is incredibly dynamic. Great word. The heavy rains, while can be intense, often give way to beautiful, clear skies and sunshine. And it's not unusual for the sun to come out seconds after the heavy rains. So, one of the fascinating aspects of Phuket's weather is its microclimates. The island's terrain, with its mountains and hills, creates unique weather patterns in different areas. This means that while it might be raining heavily on the east coast of Phuket, it might be dry on the west coast. And if it's raining in the north, it might be dry in the south. In fact, I've actually seen it where it's raining on one side of the road and dry on the other side of the road. Okay? So that's how it works. Microclimates, baby. So these microclimates make Phuket a truly unique destination. You can experience a variety of weather conditions in a single day, offering a diverse range of activities regardless of the season. Now, whether you're hiking in the hills, out on a boat with 5-Star Marine, exploring bustling markets, or simply lounging on the beach, there is always something to enjoy. Now, before I talk about how you can really enjoy the rainy season, low season with the occasional drops of sunshine falling from the sky, I just want to point out again about the flooding. Okay, now you read on the media, social media is great. Everyone puts pictures up of cars washing away, houses falling down, etc., etc., etc. Now, I don't disagree, it's bad. Flooding is bad. We even had some staff a couple of weeks ago that were over in Krabi that we had to get them back here to come and help them because their houses were flooding. Once again, it's flash floods. They don't last too long, okay? The one we had 2 weeks ago lasted for about 5 hours and then it dispersed. Okay? That's what happens. You get flash flooding, then it disperses. Why do we get flash flooding? Well, let's not get into all that. The infrastructure of Phuket, they haven't done this, haven't done that, whatever. Bottom line is you get a load of rain in a very short space of time, and then you get flash floods. Okay? But once again, flash floods, they go very quickly. Good? Good. Right. Now, let's talk about how you can enjoy Phuket's rainy season. So, what's the best way to handle Phuket's rainy season? Embrace it. That's right. Get an umbrella. If you don't have an umbrella, get one of these. This is an umbrella hat. How good's that? You get your hands free and you don't get wet, which is nice. But be ready for a little bit of rain. Go and get a poncho. You go to 7-Eleven, other convenience stores are available, of course, and you can buy a poncho. They're cheap as chips. Depending on where you're from, chips might not be as cheap in England, chips, but in Las Vegas, chips are quite expensive. Anyway, go and get a poncho. Make sure you get the adult size, not the kid size, because the kid size doesn't fit. Unless you are a kid, then get the kid size, of course. But get one of them. And if it does rain, go and have fun. Dance in the rain. Get naked. Maybe don't get naked, but go and dance in the rain. Enjoy it. It'll be over soon. And it's quite refreshing. Because trust me, when that rain stops, the humidity is going to come, the sun's going to come, and it's extremely hot. That's right. It's going to get hot. So embrace the rain. We love rain, and it's good for my garden, which is nice. So there you go. Phuket rainy season, low season, green season, whatever it's called. Okay? That's what happens. It rains a little bit sometimes, then it's sunny. It can be raining there, it's not raining there. There are a few flash floods, but they go very, very quickly. Okay? It's beautiful in Phang Nga Bay. It's stunning. It's lush and it's green. Go and see the elephants. Go to the market. There's so many things you can do. So don't panic. And don't trust weather apps. They're just a forecast. They pretty much say the same thing every single day. Go and check out our YouTube short videos. Carl puts them up. There you go. We do weather updates all week long. So you can go and see what the weather's doing exactly there and then. I'm out on the water showing you, or I'm at the pier showing you, or I'm in Phuket showing you, or on the beach showing you. That gives you an indication of what the weather is actually doing. Okay? Good. If you've got any questions, just comment below. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and buy yourself an umbrella hat, because they're awesome. I should get these marketed, shouldn't I? I should put 5-star marine on this one. I think so. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.